took out the negative cable, put that to the side. The alternator is down there, that one right there. Right here. I'm going to attempt to take off the electrical connections for the alternator first. Okay, I got the electrical connectors disconnected. This one right here goes here. That takes a 12 millimeter. It's connected here. Has this tab you push in. It slides right off. Now I gotta take out the wheel and the front lower splash shield. Okay, with the splash shields removed underneath it and the one on the passenger side front, this is the tensioner here. This little bolt-like fixture takes a 19 millimeter socket and you push down on it this way toward the front of the car, and it removes the tension off the tensioner and you can get the serpentine belt off. So now I got to take the AC compressor out. That has to be moved out the way to get to the alternator. And here I got the AC compressor. I got to move out of the way. I'm going to try and wiggle the alternator out without disconnecting the hoses for the AC compressor. But there's the alternator. I've already got the bolts loose. There are 2 bolts. One there is one way up on the other side. I'll take a 14 millimeter wrench to remove those. So once I take those off, I'm going to try and wiggle the alternator out of this hole here. Finally got the alternator out. I set the compressor in there, as you can see. I moved it, kind of switched places with the alternator and set it up in there like that. So put it in there, I'll just reverse the procedure. Okay, I got the new alternator mounted. Here there's a bolt right there. Right there. That was difficult to line up, but you mount that bolt. And this bolt here that mounts the alternator. I got the AD condenser moved out of the way, so I'm going to turn it and install the hoses and mount the AC compressor. Okay, this is the AC compressor. I got that installed. the alternator installed. So I just need to put the serpentine belt on before I make the electrical connections. This is the routing diagram for the belt for the V6 3.5 engine. And that's what I'm going to do next. Got the serpentine belt installed. I was left to install the shields. The shields take these bolts here. I believe it's a 13 or it might be a 12 millimeter. No, those are 10 millimeters for those bolts. Okay, finally, after making these two electrical connections for the alternator and one electrical connection for the AC compressor, I can connect the negative cable and the car should be good to go.